Hi, Jim Jordan here, speaking to you from Ashland, Oregon. Today I want to talk to you about how people often can sabotage and undermine their health recovery or their goal of reaching vibrant health. I know this from my own experience very well. Many of you who've listened to my YouTube clips or have come to see me for nutritional consulting appointments or have checked out my website know my history, but for those of you that don't, I'll tell you that in the 1980s, I was very ill for about 6 years, and I struggled very hard to recover my health. It took me, like I say, about 6 years before I really understood what it was necessary to do to regain my health. And so from my own experience, I know there was plenty of things that I did not want to give up and plenty of things that I did that were sabotaging my health recovery. So the basic principle is that if we don't poison ourselves, if we don't overstress ourselves, our bodies have a natural ability to regenerate and repair and heal, especially when we're younger. In my case, I was in my 20s then, and I was able to recover once I pretty much removed the toxic accumulations in my body and stopped doing the things that were destructive. So with my clients, it could be anything. There's all kinds of things that people are doing to sabotage their health. Sometimes they're just trying too hard to be perfect. Sometimes they're not giving up temporarily, at least, the things they need to give up, whether it's sugar or alcohol or too much coffee, or they're maybe not going to bed on time. There's endless combinations of factors that are undermining our health recovery. So the first question, the first way to address this is to ask yourself, what is it you truly want? If you really want health and you really, really value yourself, you will naturally do the things that are going to be supportive of your health. I mean, there's a small percentage of people that just don't understand the important factors for health, but most of us at some point get the idea that we have to eat healthy, get adequate rest, not poison ourselves, get to bed on time, exercise at least moderately, and have healthy relationships and be in alignment with our values. So these are the basic fundamental things we need for good health. And within those, there's of course there's subtleties and there's ways to refine your health and wellness program. But that's the basic thing you have to understand. So when I look back in my time when I was in my 20s, I was very depressed. I really was. I came into my 20s in a career as a lawyer that I was very disillusioned with. I had lost my spiritual bearings. I had things that happened in my past with my family that were very difficult for me to accept. And I was depressed. And I drank a lot, a bit more than should optimum. I wasn't, that heavy a drinker, but I drank lots of beer. Stayed up late. Had a lot of toxic metal in my mouth from my dental work. All kinds of things that combined to break down my health, and I had this 6-year struggle with chronic fatigue syndrome. So if that's something that you can relate to, if you've struggled with chronic health issues, whether it's fatigue, allergies, depression, insomnia, chronic pain, fibromyalgia, things like that, then I'm speaking to you because I understand your situation you're in. So we first have to ask, what is it we truly want? If we really want health and we become aware and start to realize the ways that we are sabotaging our health, then we have an opening for all the different healthy things you need to do, including detoxify, clean up your environment, get in alignment with your values for your career, relationships, your spiritual connection to the source, to however you perceive God to be. All these things will come naturally when you really are truthful with what you want. And what I believe people truly want is health, wellness, to be productive, to contribute to the world. And we settle for things like short-term pleasure from whether it's drugs or alcohol or short-term entertainment, things that we do that are sometimes destructive for us, because we don't think we can have the things we truly want. So what I'm telling you is that as far as health goes, you can have the health you truly want if you are honest with yourself, are willing to take a close look at yourself and all the different habits you have that could be undermining your health, and if you're willing to reach out for help if you need that help. So what I do in my profession is I help people get from where they are in their health right now, whatever level they are, to a higher level. Whether it's they could also already be healthy, they just want to prevent disease. It could be that they've been struggling with their health for many years. But either way, many people that come to me are looking to move ahead and to progress. So my job is to help you become aware of the ways that you're undermining your own health, coach you to encourage you to keep moving towards health and wellness, design nutrition and detoxification programs, assess certain things that might be out of balance that you're not aware of, and help guide you to optimal health. So if this is something that's appealing to you, you can call my office. I provide a free 15-minute consultation to anyone who's interested to see if I could be the person to coach you to vibrant health. So my office number is 541-482-2250. My website is www.createvibrant.health.com. Have a great day.